Hello guys, how to unsubscribe Telenor WhatsApp package. WhatsApp is the app we can no longer live without in our day. Today communication and a huge majority of Telenor users use Telenor special WhatsApp package to keep data cost to minimum. However, there are times when you have to unsubscribe for your Telenor WhatsApp package. Maybe you found a better deal, maybe you are leaving the country, or maybe you just don't want it anymore. We will guide you step by step through how to unsubscribe Telenor WhatsApp package to manage your subscriptions preference easily. Understanding the Telenor WhatsApp package. Telenor caters to user needs by offering dedicated WhatsApp bundles that include messages, voice and video bundle, and media sharing facilities at remarkable rates. These bundles have been crafted keeping in mind our user diverse need to ensure they have economical option to meet their on-the-go requirement. Why unsubscriber? Change in usage perchance your data need have altered and you no longer require a dedicated WhatsApp bundle. Cost saving, you may want to switch to some other package that is the more appropriate according to your budget or usage. Network switch, possibly you are thinking of leaving Telenor and changing your cellular network provider. How to unsubscribe from Telenor WhatsApp package? Unsubscribing from the Telenor WhatsApp package is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to cancel your subscription. Step 1. Know your current package. It is important to know which WhatsApp package you are currently using before unsubscribing. Usually, you can find this information in the SMS you receive when you activate the service or in the Telenor app. The subscribe from most Telenor WhatsApp package, you can dial particular USSD code. The package details will often contain this code, or it can be obtained from Telenor customer service. From the daily WhatsApp package, you can usually dial 0345 *045 *991 hash to deactive to unsubscribe from the monthly WhatsApp package. You can try *22 hash or *247 hash. That being said, these code may differ and you may need to check the exact code for your specific package. Other methods include using the My Telenor app, where you can find all activated package, and calling the customer service center at 345. Step 3. After dialing the correct USSD code, you will receive a confirmation message informing you that you have successfully unsubscribed from the Telenor WhatsApp package. If you do not receive confirmations or face any difficulties, it's best to contact Telenor customer support directly for assistance. Common Telenor WhatsApp package for unsubscription. Here's table summarizing the common Telenor WhatsApp package that user may want to unsubscribe from. Note that all these offers will be automatically unsubscribed once their validity is completed. This table provides a concise overview of each package, including the cost, data allowance, validity period, and the USSD code to dial for unsubscribing. Remember, these packages will automatically expire at the end of their validity period, so when